You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is originally a Finnish invention, a Finnish game from Finland, and this is why you've got this particular, very specific spelling. So let's learn how it's pronounced originally in Finnish, and then to finish, we'll look at how it's normally said in English. Finnish pronunciation: Mölkky. Mölkky is how it's pronounced, so you can say, oh, I'm going to play some Mölkky tonight or this afternoon. Somewhat like milk or Mölkky. In English, it's often pronounced more simply as Mölkky, which makes it a bit more easier to pronounce. But if you want to pronounce it correctly, Mölkky. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.